Welcome to KLiC 3D Modeling. Learn everything about 3D modeling and become job ready in the field of gaming, animation, etc. Create accurate 3D models as per industry standards. Learn about the industry pipeline standard. Become proficient in modeling techniques like polygon modeling, digital sculpting, curve modeling. Whether you are a designer or a fresher, acquire new skills in 3D modeling to upgrade yourself. You will learn about career opportunities and roles to be performed in the CG industry. You will learn open source software named Blender. You will know various tools, their functions, and learn to combine various tools to make beautiful objects. You will learn to use vertex, plane, edge to make significant outputs. Thus, you develop integral skills that make you job ready. You will learn about animation industry standards like quad mesh, as well as triangulate or low poly modeling for the gaming industry. You will also learn how to maintain quad mesh while creating a 3D model to meet animation industry guidelines. You will learn to use reference images in the background, like car, monster character, and create 3D model. You will learn to import, as well as export the object in .obj format. And most importantly, you will learn concepts of 3D modeling. And you will learn all of these in just 2 months. The course is available all over India in English. This course is recognized by Yashwantrao Chavan Maharashtra Open University, YCMOU. YCMOU issues mark sheet to the learners who complete sections 1, 2, and 3. MKCL provides a certificate to the KLiC learners after their successful course completion. The course focuses on practical knowledge and application. This course makes the learners efficient, which gives them rewarding career opportunities. After completion of the course, you will be able to get a position in any animation firm or studio as a 3D modeler, as a prop designer in the gaming industry, automobile designer in a car manufacturing company, or simply 3D illustrator and get freelance work from various freelance sites. So, let's gear up and join now. KLiC 3D Modeling. Visit www.mkcl.org/join or contact MKCL's nearest MS-CIT or KLiC center.